Hello everyone, welcome to another music theory tutorial video. So this is an important lesson here in harmony. This is where you would learn to harmonize the major scale, which is really at the backbone of harmony. So right now, again, before this lesson, you have to be super familiar with intervals and also triads, all right? Assuming that you have both of these, let's begin. So when we say we want to harmonize the major scale, we're really saying we want to stack the notes in thirds diatonically. So the term diatonically means that you are only using notes from the scale, and from the scale only. You won't find a G sharp in a C major scale. You won't find an F sharp there either. So we're only using notes from the C major scale if we are in C major. So let's do it by hand a few times, and you should be able to grasp the idea. Okay, so C is the first note. The way we'll harmonize it is something like this. You will go a third up, so that should be an E, C, D, E, and then another G. Again, we're doing it diatonically, meaning we are only picking notes from the scale. Or D, that should be F, right? C, D, E, a third apart. A, F, G, A, so a third apart again. E, F, G, so E, G, and then G, B. Okay, F, so it should be A and C. G, it should be B, C, D. For A, it should be A, C, C, and then E. B, D, F, and then we have C again, all right? So let's take a look at these. So we have three notes. And we just learned about triads. So, these are triads, right? C, E, G, that's a major triad, so I'm just gonna put down C. So without writing anything, a capital C would mean a major triad, a C major triad, okay? Okay, D, F, A, you should be able to tell instantly what it is. So it is actually D minor triad. E, G, B minor third perfect fifth, E minor, F, A, C, F major triad, G, B, D, G major triad, A, C, E, that should be A minor triad, B, D, F, that's a B diminished triad. All right? So what we just did there was we used notes from the C major scale and stacked them in thirds. So we have 7 different notes, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and we stack the notes in thirds with these notes as our roots, okay? If we do a Roman numeral analysis, C major would be our 1 chord. So again, without writing anything here, it means that it's a major triad, a 1 chord. 2 minor, 3 minor, A 4, G is a 5, 6 minor, 7 diminished. All right, so basically that's our formula here. Whenever you have a major scale, if you harmonize that, that's a formula that you are gonna get, and you can simply reuse this formula when you construct harmonized major scales in other keys. But let's do one more in G major by hand, all right? So this time we have G major. The goal here is we want to prove if this formula would still appear if we switch keys, if we change our root, our starting note to G. So let's do that. G, B, D. So we're in G major. Make sure we have the F sharp here, and we're using notes from the G major scale. G, A, C, E, B, D, F sharp, C, E, G, D, F sharp, A, E, G, B, F sharp, A, C, and then we have G again. So again, let's take a look at these triads. So that's a G major triad. A, C, E, I'm verifying each one individually. That's a A minor. B, D, F sharp, that's a B minor triad, C major, D major triad, E minor triad, EGB, and then F sharp, diminished. And then let's do a Roman numeral analysis again. So that's our 1 chord. And that's our 2 minor. That's a 3 minor. That's a 4. That's a 5. And then a 6 minor. And then a 7 diminished. Check these two formulas again. If you compare them, you should see that they are identical. So we'll do a few more by hand to make sure that you are familiar with the process here. But for major scale, we kind of have a formula right now in Roman numerals. All right. So I will see you in the next video where we'll build a few more of these by hand. All right. So see you there.